Hi, everybody. Welcome to another episode of Bonsai. Today, we've got one of the trees that's been sitting in a pot for quite some time. And today, the intention is to style it, prune it proper and better so as it's got shape and direction. And then also change its pot into a bigger and deeper pot where it can grow better. Um, for those that are first timers, welcome to the channel. My name is Linda Masero. And for those that are regulars on the channel, thank you very much for supporting the channel. For those of you that haven't subscribed, please do subscribe. It really helps grow the channel. And let me tell you a story about this tree. Let's get into it. So this tree was a cutting from one of the first trees I ever got and planted in the yard. We moved in here in 2020, and I was learning how to bonsai, and then I decided, all right, let me start trimming some of the trees that I had planted on the ground. For those of you that have seen the backyard of the house, there's a big godfather tree in the middle there. I took a cutting from there and I put it in a bucket. This was in 2020, around COVID time actually. I then went and learned how to look after and how to grow and how to propagate afra, excuse me, Portulacara afra trees, speckbomb or elephant bush. So I've literally had this in the pot, well, a bigger one, bigger bucket for some time. Put in manure in there, which would be fertilizer. Got to understand how to have aerated soil, what type of soil, what type of different types of materials must be in the mix of my soil, and it shouldn't only just be potting soil. And literally just watered it for as long as I possibly had it. This is me working on it 5 years later. Today is the 28th of May. Yeah, so I've been working on this tree for some time. You can actually see how tall it is. Um, yeah, I eventually changed it into that bucket based on I wanted it to have its own space to grow and to see how the rooting works. And yeah, because I was told having to put it in a big pot while it starts, it won't do justice. So that's why I moved it. Now I'm actually changing it because I think it is root bound. That's why I can't see anything. But more so, it is to get the tree in a styled way and also just natural care of the trees. Yeah. Um, yeah, this is me just pruning it. The rules are you prune to the second leaf set, but this is for more developed trees. This one is still in development, so some of the rules don't apply. This is just me styling it and shaping it the way I want it to be so as it can be a fully grown tree. I also have a TikTok channel and also a Instagram channel. So when you get a moment, please do follow. I'm highlighting this because I'm taking content for those two channels with my phone currently in the video. Yeah, life of a content creator. But more so, this is to highlight how the tree has been shaped and trimmed, and more the excess foliage being cut off and extra stems that I don't want as part of the design of the tree. And this is how it looks. I think it turned out cool. The next step now is to remove it from this pot, clear out the roots, uh, prep the new soil, prep the new pot, prep wiring, and repot. So this is just cleaning off the old soil that it was in, so as we can move it into its next phase. This is the finished product after changing soil and changing pots and retrimming back to the second leaf set. I think it turned out quite cool. Um, I learned a lot from a lot of channels on YouTube, and yeah, so I apply the skills that I learned from the channels or from other people that work on spec bombs like Little Jade Bonsai and Zane's Trees. Um, yeah, they've got a lot of information pertaining to how to look after your trees. I just felt I needed to document my journey because I really love this process basically. There's more aspects into wiring. I think maybe if you look at Little Jade Bonsai, it should be able to give you a better tutorial in exactly how. But there is a lot of tutorials on the net for how to wire, in terms of direction, where to anchor, which is very important because if you forget the wire for too long, it actually scars the tree. I have seen that a bunch of times on some of the trees that I'm growing. So you need to look out for when the tree starts growing so the wire doesn't cut into its branches. The wire is literally used to give direction to how the growth of the branches should be. So it really helps in actually shaping your tree. So having to understand how, when, and how to keep it is very, very important. And now we're at the end of it. That's the final product of the tree. This is just me adding pebbles on top of it. Those pebbles assist in putting weight onto the pot so as it doesn't get blown by wind. I live on a coastal city in Cape Town, so there tends to be a lot of wind and the trees tend to blow over and you lose a lot of soil from that. So I put those stones on top so as it can hold weight and they don't fall over. Also, it's pretty aesthetically pleasing to see it in that format. Just want to say thank you for joining us. Yeah, this is the final part of the video. Hope you enjoyed it. And please do subscribe if you haven't. Leave a comment. Yeah, support the channel. I really appreciate it. Linda Masago out.